Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Graphics Horizon today. We're diving into something that can make or break your gaming videos. Thumbnails! You know what I'm talking about. Those eye-popping, attention-grabbing visuals that make you want to, click faster than a speedrunner on caffeine. If you're looking to learn how to create the best gaming thumbnails that not only look insane, but also rake in those views, then stick around because I've got the ultimate guide just for you. And by the end of this video, we're not just going to talk about it. We're going to make a killer Minecraft hardcore thumbnail right before your eyes using Photopea, and trust me, it's going to be epic. So smash that like button, subscribe to Graphics Horizon, and let's get this started. Why thumbnails matter. Alright, first things first, why are thumbnails so important? I mean, you might be thinking, it's just a tiny image, right? Wrong. Thumbnails are the gateway to your content. Think about it. You've got killer gameplay, epic edits, and hilarious moments, but if your thumbnail doesn't stand out, no one's clicking on that video. It's like having the best product in a store but putting it in the back shelf. No one's gonna find it. YouTube is a battlefield, and the thumbnail is your weapon. It's all about getting that click-through rate or CTR up. A great thumbnail can literally double or triple your views. It's that powerful. And if you want your channel to grow, you gotta master this. The anatomy of a perfect gaming thumbnail. So what makes a thumbnail pop? There are a few golden rules. Bold text. That screams click me. Your text has to be big, bold, and readable even on the smallest screens. Think short, impactful words like insane, hardcore, or no way. High contrast colors. Colors that jump off the screen. Think neon green on black or bright yellow on dark blue. The idea is to make it so vibrant that it's impossible to ignore. Facial expressions and emotions. This is a big one. If you're using a character or avatar, show an exaggerated reaction. Shock, excitement, rage. Something that grabs attention instantly. Focus on one central object. Whether it's a weapon, character, or a dramatic scene. Keep the focus on one main element. You don't want your thumbnail to look cluttered. Consistency and branding. If you're serious about growing your channel, stick to a recognizable style. People should instantly know it's your video just by looking at the thumbnail, and that's how we do it here at Graphics Horizon. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, before we jump into making the thumbnail, let's quickly go through some rookie mistakes you want to avoid. Overcrowding with text. Less is more. 1 to 3 words max. Low-resolution images. No one wants to click on a blurry thumbnail. Always use high-quality images. Clickbait. Gone wrong. Don't promise something you're not delivering. People will click away in seconds, and that hurts your channel's retention rate. Alright, enough talk. Let's get down to business. Today, we're crafting this epic Minecraft hardcore thumbnail in Photopea, the free alternative to Photoshop. Perfect if you're just starting out or don't want to drop big bucks on software. Set the canvas to 1280 by 720 pixels, the optimal YouTube thumbnail size. Start by uploading our background, a dramatic, dark Minecraft landscape to set that intense, hardcore vibe. Now let's drop in the characters. Our hero with a diamond sword and the Enderman lurking in the shadows. Positioning is key here. We want the viewer's eyes to go straight to the action. To make the characters pop, we're adding an outer glow effect. Go to Layer Styles, select Outer Glow, and crank up the contrast. We want them to stand out against that moody background. Next, let's add some text. Minecraft Hardcore with that iconic blocky font. We're using red and white for high contrast, giving it that intense do-or-die feel. And finally, the finishing touch, the classic Minecraft heart icons to convey the tension. One heart left. Can he survive? This creates intrigue and makes people want to find out what happens. Final touches and tips. Almost there. Here's where the magic happens. Polishing it up, adjusting the brightness and contrast to make it pop even more. Adding some motion blur to the background for that extra depth, and a subtle vignette to keep the focus on the center action. Boom. Just like that, we've created an eye-catching, high CTR thumbnail. And the best part, all of this was done on Photopea, free and online. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button on Graphics Horizon because we've got a ton of epic content coming your way. And that's how you make an epic gaming thumbnail that gets clicks. If this helped you out, drop a like and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe to Graphics Horizon for more design tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating.